Hello everyone, welcome to day 19 of my daily planning series. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Let's dive right in. And we're gonna flip to the current page, which are actually two pages, this one and this one, because I had to split my to-do list yesterday. Let's look at this page first. I went to my youth club appointment. I did my SNC session and also my run. I did re-upload my spring cleaning video. I will link it down below. I uploaded the pictures to Instagram and I edited and uploaded yesterday's video. Let's set up today's to-do list. Checking my monthly overview page, and I've only a work call scheduled at 5. But I'm gonna visit my grandpa in the hospital at 2 p.m. so I'm gonna add this in as well. And what I want to do today is look at my new travel notebook, and I want to put my Amsterdam trip in. So I have to print out the pictures that I took first. So that's what I'm going to do today. Let's add the weather, and it is gonna be so much warmer than the days before. Let's look at the monthly pages, starting with the one line a day page. And as I told you yesterday, my dog is on her period right now, so she has to wear little diapers, and this looks so cute. But she doesn't love the diapers though. Okay, I'm gonna check my habits. Okay, let's go to the sleep tracker. And I again slept 9 hours yesterday. And I'm gonna check my screen time, and it was 3 hours and 15 minutes. Let's look at the mood mandala. And after my run yesterday, I was very tired. I did an interval session and it killed me, so I have to add green to my mandala. Let's move on to the gratitude page. And yesterday I was really thankful for music. I listened to music on my run and it does make such a change. And let's add the run to the running log. And this was the 5th run of the month, and yesterday was the 18th. I ran a total of 9 kilometers. This was a 7.5 kilometer interval run, but I was walking between the intervals, so now we have a total of 9 kilometers. And it took me 1 hour, 1 minute and 32 seconds. And I'm gonna have to add exhausting. There we go. And I'm gonna add the run and the SNC session to my fitness plan. And I'm gonna add the run to the statistics. And let's just finish by looking at today's schedule. I'm adding my sleep and my morning and night routine. The work call I have at 5, and pink is for personal appointments and green for work. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye everyone!